Ikaw at ikaw lang. Please welcome, Team Pavino.
Where is he? There.
Parang kailan lang ika'y dumating sa aking buhay. Di malimutan na ako ay nginitian. Hindi nagbago, naging makulay ang aking mundo. Kung may pagsubok man, kakayanin ng dahil sa'yo. Paano mo nalaman kailangan ko ay ikaw? Hanap ng puso ko ay ikaw. Pangarap ng buhay ay ikaw. Nang dahil sa'yo, natuto ang puso ko magmahal. Nabawi ang aking lungkot at lumbay. Paano masasabihin ko? Ngayon lang ako nakadama ng ganito. Ikaw at ikaw lang ang mahal ko. And how did you know I needed someone like you in my life? That there was an empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life and took all the worries and fears that I guess what I'm really trying to say, it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much
Maraming salamat po. Thank you. Once again, that was